guys, welcome in my channel. So in this video gonna talk about how to find winning and top selling product for drop shipping business. So let's talk about how you can find the best product for your drop shipping. There are plenty of ways you can find the best winning and top selling product for your business. So now let's talk about what are the ways through them you can find the winning and top selling products. So you should target the trending products. This is the best way to find winning and top selling profit. They are perfect drop shipping products, winning products, trending products always top selling products because so products that are currently trending are great option for your drop shipping inventory. So when you can't figure out the best selling products, try to look into which products are trending. So if you manage to source trending drop shipping products for your store before other entrepreneurs discover them, you will be able to take an advantage of how to get a good product. So always find a niche dropshipping products is the other way for you. Target a niche market with your dropshipping store can be a great way to generate revenue as well as find a winning products. Take a look at Google Trends and do some research into the top niches that have a high potential. So these could be a good niches for gaining a competitive edge in the drop shipping market. Competitors product research is the other idea. Another way to get a drop shipping product idea is look at the possible competitors and research their products. Try to discover how they source and sell items. Research product hashtags on TikTok is the other idea for you. Search social shopping site for products that sale is the great way to generate ideas for your products, winning products and top selling products for your drop shipping. Join online communities is the other idea for you.